Let's begin with 360-degree breath. Keep your hands under your chest. Inhale. When you inhale, expand your chest, your ribcage. Your front chest will expand, your back. Expand your whole body. Inhale. Expand. Expand 360 degrees throughout your ribcage. Exhale, gentle fall. Exhale through your mouth. Core engaged. Inhale. Expand your ribcage, your back. Front. Exhale, gentle fall. Core engaged. 6 more rounds. Keep your eyes closed. Inhale. Feel the expansion. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale. Expand. Expand your ribcage, side, back, front. Feel like a balloon is expanding. Exhale. Gentle core engage. Exhale through your mouth. 4, 5. Inhale. Last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Relax. Come on all fours. Make sure your knee and hip in one straight line. Keep your spine neutral. Inhale, exhale. We'll be doing cat cow. Inhale, look up. Exhale, chin to chest. Inhale, arch your back, look up. Exhale, chin to chest. Squeeze your shoulder blades. Up. Last 5. Look up. Exhale. 4. Look up. Feel the stretch at your tailbone. Squeeze your shoulder blades. Feel the stretch. Last 3. Go slow. 2. Last 1. Core engaged. Relax. Extend your right hand and left leg straight. And with control, lift it up, down, other side, up, down. Keep your toe pointed, knee straight. Last 6. Keep your core engaged and go slow. Control movement. Last 5. Relax at your hip level. 4. Inhale, exhale. Exhale, core engaged and come to the position. Inhale, relax. Exhale, up, down. Last 3. Down. Last 2. Exhale, down. Exhale, down. Last 1. Keep your core engaged, toe pointed. Body stable. Relax. Come to neutral position. Inhale, exhale, core engaged. Lift your right leg up, down, left up, down. Look straight. Core engaged. Make sure you're not arching your back too much. Just normal, gentle arch. Your spine neutral. Core engaged. Go slow. Keep your body stable. We are just lifting our leg up. Keep your hips stable. Last 4. Core engaged. Exhale through your mouth. Last 3. Slow movement. Control. Try to balance. Last one. Exhale through your mouth. Keep going. Relax. So by matches, lie down on your back, the lower back flatten with the floor, knees bend. Inhale, exhale, core engaged. Inhale, lift your right leg back, bring it towards chest, down, left chest, down, right leg towards chest, down, core engaged. Last 6, down, keep your core engaged. Keep going, slow movement. We are working on our lower abdomen. Go slow. Last 4. Try to bring your knee as close as to the chest. Keep your toe pointed, core engaged. Exhale through your mouth. Last 2. Keep going. Last 1. Relax. Glute bridges. Lie down on your back. The lower back flatten with the floor. Inhale, exhale. When you glute bridges, make sure your lower back flatten with the floor. That's how you engage your core. Inhale, exhale. Inhale. Keep your core engaged. Squeeze your glutes. Lift your hips up. Down. Inhale, exhale, up. Down. Up. When you go up, make sure your head and knee in one straight line. Down. Your knees together. Up. Down. Last 4. Up, up, up. Down. Last 3. Go up. Down. Try to balance. 2. 1. Go up. Hold for 5 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down. Good job. Toe tap. Make sure your lower back flatten with the floor. If you had C-section and less than 6 months, then just keep your leg up, down, with one leg at a time. Like this. And down. And rest, everybody. Lift your leg up and tap your toe. Keep your core engaged. With exhale, tap. Make sure your leg at 90 degrees. Core engaged. Go slow. Keep your core engaged. Last 4. Every time you lose your core or you see any bulge in your tummy, stop, core engaged, and start doing again. Last 3. Last 2. Exhale through your mouth. Core engaged. Last 1. Go slow. When you engage your core, it will be easy to perform any kind of movement and you'll get the proper result. Last 1. Core engaged. Relax. Bring your leg down. Great. Lie down on your back. Keep your right leg above your left knee and bring your left knee towards your chest. Stay for 10 count. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Other side. Bring your right knee towards your chest. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Now extend your both the legs. Bend your right knee. Pull towards your chest. Left knee should be straight, toe pointed. Hold for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. At the side. Keep holding. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Now, lie down in Shavasana. Keep your both legs apart. Fingers facing towards the ceiling. Eyes closed. Relax. Relax for 2 minutes. Last one. Relax.